Welcome back to the 8th episode of Friday Frameworks. We've covered the banks and free zones, but there's a whole other world to onshore finance the markets. Stocks, funds, brokers, and now even crypto. And they answer to a different federal regulator. This is the SCA, the Securities and Commodities Authority, the federal regulator for onshore capital markets in the UAE. Listed companies, stocks and commodity exchange, brokers and investment firms. If the central bank watches the banks, the SCA watches the markets. Anyone in onshore securities and investments, listed joint stock companies, brokerages, fund managers, investment firms, and the exchanges themselves, like the Dubai Financial Market, the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, and modern twist, the SCA also regulates virtual assets in and from the UAE everywhere except Emirates of Dubai, which has its own regulator we'll cover next week. Why it matters? Markets run on trust. The SCA's whole job is to protect investors and keep markets fair and transparent. So if you operate here, you are held to standards on disclosure, conduct, and handling client money and assets. Get it wrong and you don't just get fined. You can lose the ability to operate in the market at all. What's expected of you? The core themes are market conduct and disclosure, being transparent and fair, investor protection, and proper custody of client assets, AML, CFT, and increasingly, technology and cyber controls for the systems market infrastructure depends on. And if you deal in virtual assets outside Dubai, you fall under the SCA's virtual asset rules too. Now, where to start? Confirm the SCA is actually your regulator. Onshore securities, not a free zone, not Dubai virtual assets. Then focus on what examiners care about the most: conduct and disclosure controls, the security and custody of client assets, and market data. Comment map at the bottom and I'll send you one-page regulator, and this is where my team comes and help. Looking forward to see you in the next Friday framework. Next Friday, we will be covering VARA, Dubai's dedicated crypto regulator and the world's first. See you then.